Have you ever felt like hitting the reset button on your life? Like stepping away from everything and everyone, just to find yourself again? Sometimes the best way to grow is to disappear, not in a physical sense, but mentally and emotionally, so you can re-emerge as a transformed, stronger version of yourself. In today's world, we're constantly bombarded by distractions, opinions, and noise. It's easy to lose sight of who we are, what we want, and where we're headed, but here's the secret. Sometimes to find clarity and create true transformation, you need to step away. Step 1. Disconnect to reconnect. This is the part where you disappear, not physically, but from the distractions that keep you from growing. Social media, constant notifications, the opinions of others. These things cloud your vision. Imagine going off the grid mentally, disconnecting from the things that don't serve you. When you clear the space in your mind, you create room for what truly matters. When you step away from the noise, you'll hear the voice that matters most, your own. This is when self-reflection begins. Who are you, really? What do you want? When you're constantly surrounded by the chaos of life, it's easy to forget the answers to these questions. But when you disappear for a while, you give yourself the gift of time. Time to reflect, reset, and get crystal clear on your vision. Step 2. Redefine your identity. When you disappear, you're not running away. You're choosing to let go of the version of yourself that no longer serves you. You get to shed the labels, the limitations, and the expectations that others have placed on you, or that you've placed on yourself. In this quiet space, you can ask, who do I want to become? And start laying the foundation for your transformation. You see, transformation isn't about becoming someone else. It's about becoming the best version of you. It's about stepping into your full potential, without the weight of old habits or outdated beliefs holding you back. Step 3. Re-emerge with purpose. Once you've spent time in reflection, you'll start to see the path ahead more clearly. Now it's time to reintroduce yourself to the world, but this time with purpose, focus, and determination. When you return, you're not the same person who disappeared. You've transformed. You've grown. And now, you're ready to show up as the version of yourself that aligns with your true vision and goals. The world may not understand the journey you took, and that's okay. This transformation isn't about them. It's about you. It's about embracing your evolution, your growth, and stepping into the life you were meant to live. Sometimes to transform, you need to disappear, not to run away, but to find yourself, to rediscover your strength, and to come back better than ever before. So if you're feeling lost, overwhelmed, or stuck, remember this. Disappearing for a while might be exactly what you need to transform your life. You have the power to reset, to redefine, and to re-emerge stronger than you ever imagined. Thank you for watching, and remember, transformation starts with the courage to step away and come back with purpose.